Food trend is changing, and so is customers' dining preferences. More and more people are ordering food from the comforts of their home. FusionResto home delivery system helps businesses manage this efficiently. Let's take a look. Customer calls the restaurant's helpline number, and the system fetches customers' details and displays it on screen, along with their last 3 orders. FusionResto Pause helps the operator punch orders quickly. Once the order is saved, it is automatically transferred to the nearest outlet for delivery. The chef prepares the order. Once the order is prepared, it is displayed in the restaurant. Operator assigns delivery boy. Order dispatch status is sent to customer. FusionResto home delivery efficiently connects restaurant, call center, kitchen, and delivery. Contact +919 8319 26662 or visit www.fusionresto.com for a free demo.